Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FIBO Group. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FIBO Group, short for Financial Intermarket Brokerage Online Group, is an award-winning CySEC-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 1998 and is based in Vienna, Austria. They offer a variety of commission-free, low-risk accounts with competitive trading conditions and tight spreads. We recommend opening an account with FIBO Group if you want to diversify your portfolio, or if you are a serious investor seeking managed accounts and automated trading solutions. However, this is also a great option for beginners who will need educational resources and support along the way. FIBO Group offers a well-developed, user-friendly website. All the important information you need to know is displayed on the homepage. You can also navigate the menu bar to find more specific information about their accounts, platforms, analytics, resources, and company history. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage, you will find neatly organized lists with direct links to products offered, guides, accounts, platforms, and any other information you might need. The website can also be viewed in multiple international languages, and you can view a real-time events calendar directly from the homepage. FIBO Group currently offers a total of 48 currency pairs, as well as a wide range of CFDs, spot metals, and cryptocurrencies. You can find out more about the instruments they offer by clicking on the Products tab and selecting an instrument under the Financial Tools section of the drop-down menu. FIBO Group's customer support team can be reached via email, live chat, and telephonically, and they're available 24 hours a day. With FIBO Group, your accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, as well as the CTrader platform. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. If you are interested in copy trading or algorithmic trading, then we recommend opening a CTrader account and using this platform instead. CTrader is not only an excellent platform for automated trading and copy trading, but there is also a mobile application version that you can use, and it comes with more than 50 indicators, 26 timeframes, 4 chart types, price alerts, trade statistics, and much more. Some of the standard tools and features offered by FIBO Group include an economic calendar, guides on trading sessions, PAM accounts, copy trading functionality, and more. There are 6 types of accounts that you can open with FIBO Group, with a total of 4 MetaTrader 4 accounts, 1 MetaTrader 5 account, and 1 CTrader account. All accounts except for the MetaTrader 4 Cent account and the MetaTrader 4 Fixed account allow a leverage of 1 to 400. Every account offered also uses a no dealing desk execution model, but the MetaTrader 4 Fixed account uses a market maker order execution model. Only the MetaTrader 4 Fixed and the MetaTrader 4 no dealing desk accounts can be used for CFD trading. but all accounts offer a variety of currency pairs and other instruments. If you want to trade with a managed account, you can open either a MetaTrader 4 fixed account or one of the MetaTrader 4 no dealing desk accounts. We recommend the MetaTrader 4 Cent account for beginners because no minimum deposit is required to use this account. No commission fees are charged, and it is suitable for traders who won't need managed account services. But all the other accounts can be activated by depositing only $50 US. So, all the accounts offered are relatively low risk for all types of traders. If you are looking for a commission-free account with more than 40 currency pairs and fixed spreads, then you can open a MetaTrader 4 fixed account. Alternatively, you can open a MetaTrader 4 no dealing desk account with spreads starting as low as 0.8 pips and no commission fees. This account cannot be used for CFD trading, but it is a managed account and it can be leveraged by up to 400 times. The MetaTrader 5 no dealing desk and the CTrader no dealing desk accounts offer the tightest spreads, starting as low as 0 pips, but a small commission fee is charged. You also have the option of opening a swap-free account, whereas no interest is charged when using this account, but other weekly fees will be payable. If you would like to practice in a risk-free environment while you learn how to trade, then you can open a demo account and use virtual currency. You can also use a demo account to test new tools and strategies that you are thinking of using. Creating an account with FIBO Group may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account that you open. But the account creation process is straightforward, and you can contact their customer support team if you have any questions about your account. Firstly, launch the FIBO Group homepage, and then click on the Open Live Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been set up and approved, you can log into the FIBO Group client portal. Once your account is ready, you can fund your account and simply start trading. From the FIBO Group client portal, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FIBO Group. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options and a nice and simple buy and sell order window that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader platforms, you can find a variety of educational resources online to help you with the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to educational resources, FIBO Group does not currently provide a wide variety of educational resources for beginners. However, they do offer daily currency pairs predictions, monthly market analysis updates, and webinars that are hosted by expert traders. If you are a complete beginner, they do provide an introductory Forex guide with some insightful videos, and you can also visit the FAQ section to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about creating accounts, using the platforms, and trading. Fortunately, all the platforms offered by FIBO Group are beginner-friendly, and there are plenty of resources online that you can use, as mentioned earlier, to help you get started. We recommend practicing on a demo account first, so that you can familiarize yourself with the tools and features of the platforms. FIBO Group also offers a unique platform called FIBO Forex Drive, which is a dedicated application for delivering news, forecasts, and analytics, and it can also be used to access the beginner's trading course and customer support directly from your mobile device. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received a number of awards for their services. FIBO Group was awarded multiple participants diplomas at the FinExpo Traders Fair in 2019. and they also received several Best Forex Broker awards over the years. Overall, FIBO Group is one of our most trusted, top-rated, low-risk Forex brokers, and we recommend this broker to all types of traders. You do not need a huge amount of capital to start your trading career with FIBO Group, and they offer commission-free accounts with competitively low spreads. Not only can you use multiple platforms and a variety of accounts with FIBO Group, but they also offer a dedicated information application that you can use to stay up to date with market news and analytics. And their managed accounts are great for serious investors and professional traders with busy lifestyles. If you are interested, be sure to open your FIBO account today to get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of FIBO Group. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.